Hi, I'm Johnny. You're watching A View to a Grill, and today is grilled Portobello Flatbread. Let's get started. So now that we have our vegetables grilled off, we're going to go ahead and put this flatbread together. This tomatillo sauce, I'm not going to spread it. I'm just going to take little dollops of it. Peppers, a layer of cheese, mushrooms, more cheese, and then just a little bit more tomatillo, just kind of drizzled along the top. And I'm just going to go ahead and use the rest of this. Let's go ahead and get this on the grill and cook it indirectly just to melt the cheese. Once that comes out, we're going to finish it off with some freshly chopped spinach. When you move this flatbread to directly over the fire, you don't want to leave it because it will burn underneath. We're just trying to crisp up the bottom a little bit. Grilled Portobello Flatbread on the Weber kettle. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. That is amazing. So, if you're looking for a great vegetable option right off the grill, give this a try. You won't regret it. Thank you for watching A View to a Grill, and I'll see you next time.